In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install GTA 4 in PC. Step 1, you just have to go to your any web browser and then kindly type download GTA 4. Tap this. Okay. Step 2, what you're going to do is to click the very first site that you can see, Rockstar Games. Tap this one. Now, step 3, what you're going to do here is to simply scroll down and look for buy now. You can see it on the left side. Okay. You can scroll here if you want to know more about Grand Theft Auto 4. But if you're done with this, then what you're going to do is to click buy now. Okay, so step 4, you cannot proceed if you haven't logged into your account yet. So you have to log into your account or create an account if you don't have. Step 5, once you're logged in, then you will see this Grand Theft Auto edition and you can see payment methods here. So choose the one that is fit for you or choose your payment method. For example, credit or debit card. You just have to simply enter the information here, month here, click these two boxes, and then click agree all. After you purchase this, then you can start playing your GTA 4. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.